Hey, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Julia Olivarius, and today I want to show you how to create this look, which is using a matte burgundy color. A lot of people like to wear, light browns, medium browns, even darker browns as part of their daily look, their everyday look, a neutral look, whatever you want to call it. Well, switching to a matte burgundy color is an amazing way to really take that color of your eyeshadow to the next level without getting too crazy. So today I'm going to feature how to create this look, very nice and simple, a very well transitioned look using only two colors. And then I'm also going to give you a little bonus tip for your lips. So today I'm going to be working with this palette here, and we're actually only going to use these two colors today. That is it. So I've already put primer on my eyelid, so we don't need to worry about that. If you don't use a primer, I highly recommend it. It helps prevent creasing, keeps the color in place without wearing off throughout the day or smudging. So primer is a must-have for me. I never wear my makeup without it anymore. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting some of the color here on this little sponge, and I am applying the burgundy color all over. Now you'll notice that I use more of a tapping motion to apply it, and that's because I want to pack that color in more. A swiping motion thins the color out, whereas a tapping motion really applies it a little bit thicker, a little bit more coverage, getting the color to pop a little bit more. So that's what I like to do most of the time. But sometimes, as you'll notice, like up in here, I'm kind of like swiping a little bit, but everywhere else, using it, trying to get that full coverage look. So the next for the crease, I'm going to put my brush. I'm using the same color actually, but I'm going to switch to my crease brush in that maroon color or burgundy color because it's going to give me better control over where I'm applying it. The little pointed sponge is perfect for the eyelid because it's got the point, lets me get in close, helps me keep it from, flicking out color out here, which is great. So now for in the crease, I'm going to switch and use the crease brush, and I'm bringing that out just a little bit. And then one thing I didn't do that I'm just remembering that I didn't do on the other side is I didn't do anything underneath. So I think what I'm going to do is really just kind of create like a full smoky look. Let me know what you think. Drop me a comment and let me know if I should put this underneath here to really create like a full blown like burgundy smoky eye. So give me your thoughts on that. In the meantime, like I said, I am just adding this crease color right in here. And I'm going to leave it. And then I'll come back to blend it though, of course. Then what I want to do is use this little liner shader brush here. And I'm taking this light color because it's a pearlized color. It's kind of like I don't even know. You can see it up here. A peachy color, but it's perfect for highlighting because it's not too dark. It's maybe a little darker than what some of you are used to. But I mean, it's meant for highlighting, so don't worry about that. So adding just a little bit in here and bringing that down to that burgundy color, but I'm not bringing it past the head of my brow. That's just a personal preference. Some people like to bring the color all the way over. I don't prefer to do that. Nothing wrong if you do though. Alright, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blending brush with a little bit of the translucent setting powder. See, just a little bit. And I'm going to start blending this a little bit to help everything just transition real smooth, one color to the next. And I also like to blend a little in here. And sometimes I'll even add a little more foundation right in here once I've applied my eyeshadow. And because normally I do my foundation after my eyeshadow. So sometimes I'll even apply a little more foundation in there if I need it. Okay, so that's it. That is the base of this look. It is literally the burgundy eyeshadow all over in the crease, and then that one other color starting up top and blending it down to meet the burgundy color, and then literally just taking this brush and blending it all together. So then what I did next, just to kind of show you guys, is I used my dip and draw liner, also called the liquid eyeliner, but it is awesome because it has a super sharp point. Look at that. And it lets me be like super precise. So I'm going to attempt to do this so you guys can see, but I'm going to hold my mirror on the side. But what you want to do is, I personally prefer to start all the way down here. Some people do not like to do that. You start wherever you're comfortable. And I just literally like tap it on, kind of like just layering one little section right over the next. Because you want to go slow with this. There's no, if you're in a hurry, don't do liquid eyeliner. Because then what you can do is you can go back and just do one nice swoop over all of it to smooth it out. But initially, just getting it on there, I just do small little sections. And you can make it thicker as you go. Some people prefer that. You can keep the same, like a thin line the whole time, or a thick line. Really just depends on what look you're going for. So then over here you see I just did a teeny tiny little wing. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And this stuff is, like I said, it's so great because you can control the amount of liquid that you're putting on here, which really makes creating that winged eyeliner look way easier. And what I like, I don't know, I'd never really used much of a liquid eyeliner before this, but I don't know if others are like this. But this is almost like, so it's obviously liquid, and then it dries, but when you go to take it off, it almost is like, it almost could like peel off. So this stuff, once it is on and it is dry, it is not budging. Doesn't matter if you are crying, sweating, get caught in a rainstorm, I don't know. This liquid eyeliner is not going anywhere. So, okay, add just a little. It's that famous, like, oh, let me add just a little more liquid eyeliner. And then you have like a giant, like, mess of eyeliner on your face. Oh gosh, knocking stuff over. Okay, so, I almost feel like I shouldn't talk when I do it, right? This is how it starts, ladies. You try to make it too even. Okay, I'm done. I'm not touching it anymore. Okay, just remember, get them close. Not twins, sisters, not twins, right? So it's pretty darn good. Okay, all right. So then I think what I'll do is I will just show you just real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that burgundy color under my eye, and I'm gonna go back to that same crease brush, tap off the excess, and so it's not real dark, but it just gives me a little extra dimension and just kind of helps create more of a smoky look by adding that eyeshadow under my eyes. See? Ta-da! And that's it. That's the tutorial. So I'm just going to do this other eye. Oh, wait, I have to show you the lipstick trick. My bad. Hold on, let me do this other eye real quick. Okay, so lipstick trick is going to use this palette as well. And I like it because you can really create like a frosty lip look. So what I'm going to do, this is like one of my favorites. It's in the nude line, but it definitely has that mauvey pink undertone, which I love. And so I'm going to apply this all over. Super pretty color. Really like it. Okay, then what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to use my finger for this, I'm going to take this beaming color here. See? A little bit, and that's the same color that I use like up on the top here. And I'm just going to dab that on my lips. Look at that. So bottom lip, And I haven't put any on the top yet. Just to kind of show you guys what that would look like. And you just kind of press it in. And unless you have like a bunch of makeup brushes, I would just, or a lip brush, I would just use your fingers and then make sure you don't touch anything else. So, but that can kind of give you like a little frosty look. So that is today's look. It's kind of a burgundy look all over, but the burgundy eyeshadow, use something like this here. I love it because this palette is designed to work together, right? And this color here is designed to be your transition color from your eyelid. With using these brighter colors, you use this as your transition color and this is your highlight color. So it's great because the palette's already got everything you need in it. But on days when you want to do a little bit lighter look, these are literally the only two colors I used today to create this look. That's it. So if you guys have questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you. Feel free to, I've got some other tips for using those same two light colors. So feel free to send me a message and I'll be happy to get this to you, okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.